Number one, today is Saturday. So ngayon yung kumpil ng pamangkin ko, kaya yun yung ating vlog ngayon. So ipapakita ko sa inyo mga langga yung mga clips ng kumpil nila, kung ano yung nangyayari. Tapos mayroon din kami deliver ng Empire ngayon. So yun yung vlog natin.
Kailangan kita laman mo.
Taas na? Ganun pa rin. Yung last natin na kuha, ganun din yung price? Ha? Walang iba? Walang ibang stock? Puro Coke? Ilang Coke? So, may tatlong Coke. 1.5. Tatlo. Ano yan isa? Yan. Kalahati. Sprite, tsaka Royal. Hindi naman masyado kasi masyado mabenta yan. So, ito talaga yung pinakamabenta. So, mayroon tatlo. Tapos, kalahati, anim-anim. So, yun lang. Hi mga langga. So, good morning. Good afternoon. Dahil kaninang umaga nga, maaga kami kanina kasi kumpil ni Kuya Genrick. So, kumpil ni Kuya Genrick kanina. So, nung last month, kumpirma ay komunyon. So ngayon naman kumpil naman. So sunod-sunod siya mga langga. Pinasabay ko na lang siya para wala na, tapos na kaagad. So si Julan kasali sana si Julan ngayon. Kaso hindi ko na lang si Julan pinasabay mga langga kasi mayroon silang exam ngayon. So kaya sabi ko sa sunod na lang na taon, puhon kaliwa ng Ginoo, no. So si Genrick tapos na siya sa binyag, komunyon, kumpil, tapos na si Julan, binyag, komunyon, kumpil na lang ang kulang kay Julan. So, isasabay ko na lang yan next year o kaya kung mayroon ulit dito sa amin, isasabay ko na lang. So, ngayon mga langga, kanina umaga, maaga kami doon. So, isa lang naman yung ninang na kinuha ko. So, wala namang handa, wala namang kaanuhan. Dito kasi sa Maynila mga langga, parang wala lang yun. So, basta importante na nakumpilan sila. di parehas kung sa probinsya talaga tayong mga langga, no? Pag may mga ganitong okasyon, kasi mayroon talaga tayong handa o mayroon talaga tayong pakain sa mga ninong at ninang. So, yung ninang naman ni Genrick, isa lang. So, na mga langga ay wala tayong ginagawa. Hindi din pumasok si Busomer ngayon kasi nga umalis kami. So, siya naiwan dito sa tindahan. Kaya bukas na daw siya biyahe. Pabiyahe sana siya kanina paghatid niya kay Julan. Kasi every Saturday kasi hinahatid niya si Julan sa school kasi sobrang aga yung pasok nila. Alas 6 yung pasok. So, pag Sabado, PE kasi nila yon, morning PE nila, alas 6 magsimula. So, kaya pinapahatid ko kay Busomer. Tapos, pag-uwi dito, siya na lang mag-isa kasi kaya naman na mag-uwi. Mga langga, yung mga soft drinks na 1.5 kasi wala na kaming stocks niyan. So, naglagay lang siya sa ref, tapos inayos lang niya doon sa taas yung mga stocks. So, yan.
Yung mga sa likod.
Said all you wanted was me, and you're always thinking of me. You told me that you love me, you told me that you love me. But if you love someone, you don't tell them every now and then. If you love someone, you ain't lying about where you've been. You don't leave them hanging out like clothes on a line. Only come around on your sweet time. I'll tell you right now, that ain't how it's done. If you love someone, yeah. If you love someone, I don't think that you know what you want. And I just won't be something that I'm not. No, I ain't gonna fake it. My heart ain't gonna take it, so I won't let you break it. Cause if you love someone, you don't tell them every now and then. If you love someone, you ain't lying about where you've been. You don't leave them hanging out like clothes on a line. Only come around on your sweet time. I'll tell you right now, that ain't how it's done. If you love someone, yeah. If you love someone, yeah. Baby.
Kumuha tayo ng pancit canton, sweet and spicy, at saka calamansi kasi wala nating stocks na yan. Kumuha lang ako nito ng 20 piraso, yung regular lang na Lucky Me pancit canton kasi hindi naman siya masyado mabinta sa akin. Mga langga, yung mga cup noodles, assorted na to. So, lahat ng klase, tatlo lang yung kinuha ko. Tapos, mayroon tayong breadstick, kumuha tayo ng dalawa. Mayroon tayong mga yogurt na Dutch milk, oyster sauce, tapos mayroon tayong mga bingo, mamon, butter coconut, at marami pang iba mga langga. Eggnog, may skyflex din tayo dyan sa baba. Doon. So, ayusin na natin itong mga langga. Let's go! Nagkakahalaga itong mga langga ng 4,776 pesos. So, dito sa mga cup noodles, meron siya 270 pesos. Tapos, 4,505.79. Kaya lahat ang total is 4,776 lahat mga langga. So,
started all of this.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So malangga, yun lang muna ang ating video for today. Thank you for watching everyone and God bless. Bye!